It is case of applicant that applicant ought to have filed appeal on or before 1st October 2010, but due to illness from 15th May 2010 to 25th July 2010, and doctor advised him to take bed rest, he could not prefer appeal within time. There is delay of 71 days. The delay caused is not intentional and deliberate. Para. That valuable rights of applicant in immovable property are involved in the suit. There is chance of success on merit and sanguine hopes to succeed in the matter. So, if delay is not condoned, applicant would suffer injustice and heavy loss. Hence, the application para. Respondent number 4, 6, 7, and 8 served but failed to appear. Hence, application proceed ex parte against them. Para. Respondent number 1 to 3 and 5 appeared and filed their say at exhibit 13. Their case is that applicant has not given proof of cause for delay mentioned in the application as per section 106 of Evidence Act. The reason mentioned in the application for delay is not proper. Applicant no, he don't have merit in appeal. Only with intent to harass respondents, applicant has deliberately failed to file appeal within time and filed this false application for condonation of delay. Accordingly, prayed for rejection of application. Alternatively, they prayed for heavy cost of rupees 15,000 para. Heard both learned advocates. It is submission of learned advocate for applicant that suit filed by applicant was dismissed on 4th May 2010. Applicant was not feeling well and taking treatment from 15th May 2010 to 25th July 2010. Doctor advised him to take bed rest, so he is unable to approach to his advocate and file appeal against the judgment and decree passed by trial court. He has further admitted that there is 71 days delay in preferring appeal. Applicant has given sufficient and reasonable grounds to condone the delay. Rights in the immovable property are involved in this case. Applicant has produced medical certificate. He was suffering from allergy, asthma, and fever. Due to illness and old age, he is unable to prefer an appeal within time. Para. On the other hand, it is submission of learned advocate for respondents that suit filed by applicant is decided on merit and dismissed. Applicant has filed said suit against respondent in 2008. Applicant failed to prove his case, so learned trial court has dismissed it on merit. Applicant has no merit in the case. He has filed said suit only to harass defendants. He knows this fact, so he has not preferred appeal within time. Reasons given in application are vague, not sufficient to condone delay. Applicant has not produced medical certificate, so application is not tenable. Para. Peruse record. It appears that applicant has filed suit for recovery of possession of encroached area. It is true that suit is dismissed on merit, but the fact that Rights of applicant in immovable property are involved in this suit is not in dispute. Applicant has right to challenge the judgment and decree by preferring an appeal merely because his suit is dismissed on merit. He cannot be deprived from his right of challenging said decree para. So far as medical certificate is concerned, though it is submission of learned advocate for non-applicant that applicant has not produced medical certificate, as rightly pointed by learned advocate for applicant, record shows that he has produced medical certificate with list at exhibit 4. On going through its contents, it reveals that applicant was under treatment from 4th May 2010 to 25th July 2010. He was suffering from allergic asthma and also having fever.